Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm at Walmart looking to flip items from Walmart in-store to Walmart online. When I'm flipping items from Walmart to Walmart, there are like three things that I look for. The first are reviews of the product. I want to make sure that people like the items that they're purchasing and writing reviews. Second, I want to make sure that Walmart is not on the listing. We don't have data such as Keepa to know whether Walmart is sharing the buy box or what's going on. There's no data with Walmart. So without Walmart being on the listing, I can kind of maybe gauge that I'll get the buy box better. The third thing that I look for is to make sure that the item is available for pickup and delivery but is not available for shipping. That to me shows that the item is available in my store but is not available for people in any part of the country. Let's say I'm in Washington State and the item is not being sold on the East Coast. So if I put this item available for shipping, then people on the East Coast are able to find this item and purchase it for me. So that's what I look for, are those three things. So let's go in and take a look at what we find. I personally like starting at the clearance items and then scanning maybe other departments depending on the amount of time I have. So let's go in and take a look. Alright, well, let's scan a few items and see what we find. First up is this Squishmallow. So let's go ahead and scan the barcode. As you can see, it is at this store for $12. It does have 2-star rating. We scroll down, it is being sold by a third party and is not being sold by Walmart. And it is currently going for $28. So let's just kind of do the math and see where our numbers are running. So if we want to sell for $28, we then want to times it by 0.85 to see what our amount is after the referral fee. So we have $23.80 left. So let's subtract the cost of goods, which is $12. All right, that leaves $11.80. So that leaves room for shipping costs, which could be up to $5, and it could be up to, or WFS fulfillment fees, which is up to $5 as well, because this is less than 1 pound. However, I know I'm gated in Squishmallows, so I will be passing on this one today. Hey guys, so I'm in the clearance section. This is my absolute favorite part when I'm doing Walmart to Walmart. I love clearance because everything else is knocked down, and I'm actually really lucky today and there's no one else down this aisle. So, but it's also good to look at end caps. Anywhere where there's a big yellow marker or anywhere that says clearance is also a great place to start. So let's just start scanning a couple items and see what we can find. I'm going to leave behind this Squishmallow, even though it does leave a profit of $11. I'm leaving it behind because I'm gated in the Squishmallows for now, and if you want to learn more about ungated, please see my other video for that. So let's just keep scanning and see what we find. And as you can see, this one is going for $12 on Walmart. It does have 120 reviews, and it is not being sold by Walmart, and is going for $23 or $24. So let's do the metrics on this one as well. Alright, that leaves a profit of $8, which this is definitely less than 1 pound. So it'll be roughly about $5 with either shipping directly to the customer or shipping through WFS. And that leaves a profit of $3.40. However, with this item, you want to be very careful with the expiration date. This does expire in April 2025, so that definitely fits within the parameters of expiration dates. Let's just keep going and see what else we can find. For this little guy, for Star Wars, he has 8 reviews, and he is currently $12 here at my Walmart, but is being sold for $12. So that is a deal. That is not a deal. So we will go ahead and move on. There are so many opportunities with Walmart. You can scan every department, every item, and there's just always opportunity there. So let's just go ahead and scan the toy aisle, and you always kind of want to be on the lookout for rollbacks. Those are kind of also little hidden clearance items that you can find good deals with. So if we look at over here, I also love that they put the barcode right here. So you don't have to take the physical item off every single time. You just scan that little barcode and it'll pop up. And this item is out of stock online, but it's here in the store. However, there are no reviews, so we'll keep moving. So we just scanned the next little item right there. And take a look at that one. And this is also being sold on Walmart for $9.97. so we'll pass on that one. But look how simple, quick, and easy this is. You just scan the little barcode and boom. And then that one's also being sold by Walmart. Go to the next one, and that one has no reviews. So then we'll go to the next one, and sometimes the light, there we go. And this one is out of stock online, but it is 10/28 in the store. So let's look at the metrics and see what's going on with this item. It has 10 reviews. That is a great item. I am not sure what's going on with this item. It looks like it's not even available for shipping. So let's just go ahead and pass on this one because it looks kind of weird to me. And then we can just go down on these items as well. We can just go ahead and scan this quick barcode. This is $9.97, but is out of stock online, which is a great opportunity. It has 0 reviews. However, it is Sonic, and it looks like it's not available for shipping as well. So let's go ahead and move on, especially with the 0 reviews. I really don't want to take a risk on 0 review items. And this item is also being sold by Walmart. It does have 286 reviews, but is being shipped and sold by Walmart. So we will pass on this one for now.